years now. This thing is in almost good condition. There's some tape here on the cord, as you can see. Some electrical tape. I don't really like how these cord rewinds are because they tend to I don't know. It's just hard to vacuum with something like this, but it's still a great machine. I'm going to try to do a house run with, it tends to come unplugged, even if you like pull it all the way out, but I'm going to try to do a house run with this next Sunday, see how it does. It is like that one there. It is like that one there. This one came from an estate sale in Toronto, from a house that looked really like it was older, and the people who lived there were older too, so. This is my third concept, and this one's from 1979.